Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn PLL algorithms. PLL, or permutation of last layer, is a vital step in solving the Rubik's Cube, coming after F2L and OLL. These algorithms rearrange the last layer pieces without disturbing the first two layers. There are 21 distinct PLL cases, each with its own specific algorithm. Learning these will dramatically improve your cube solving speed and consistency. We'll break down effective learning strategies to help you master them efficiently. To learn PLL algorithms effectively, start by grouping similar cases. This helps you recognize patterns and distinguish between subtle variations, making memorization easier. Practice each algorithm slowly and deliberately, focusing on precise finger movements to build strong muscle memory. Don't rush. Accuracy comes before speed. Consistent, focused practice for even 10 to 15 minutes daily will yield significant results. Consider using a practice cube for dedicated sessions. Memorization is key for PLL. Try visualizing the algorithm's effect on the cube's pieces before you even execute it. This deepens your understanding. For longer algorithms, break them down into smaller, more manageable sequences. This makes them less daunting and easier to commit to memory. Many cubers also find success using mnemonic devices or short, catchy phrases to help recall complex move sequences. Find what works best for your learning style. Once you've learned a few algorithms, integrate them into your full solves immediately. This real-world application solidifies your understanding and helps you recognize cases faster. Don't forget to regularly review all 21 algorithms to maintain your speed and accuracy over time. Consistent practice is the only way to truly master PLL. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and your solve times will surely drop.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.